Meaning of educate.
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 Educate. To educate means to provide knowledge, skills, and understanding to someone through teaching or training. The result of education is a better informed individual who is able to think critically, make informed decisions, communicate effectively, and contribute positively to society. Education can lead to personal growth, career opportunities, and improved quality of life. It can also promote social mobility by providing equal opportunities for people from diverse backgrounds. Ultimately, education is the key to unlocking human potential and creating a brighter future for individuals and communities alike.